Welcome everybody to the crypto mining channel. If you want to learn how to build a passive income with cryptocurrencies, make sure to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over all the Coinbase fees and I'm going to tell you how you can avoid them.
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
So first of all, let's take a look at the fees. So when you buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, you have to, with a credit card or debit card, you have to pay a fee. It can go up to 3.99%, which is a lot. If you want to buy it instantly with your debit or credit card, you will pay a big fee. If you will use a bank transfer, you will pay less. So if you want to buy Bitcoins and you don't need to have them today, you have some time, then I would suggest doing a bank transfer. Then you will avoid these fees wherever you are. So then you have to pay a fee if you buy or if you sell. So they charge a spread of about 0.5%, and they also charge a Coinbase fee. If you have a transaction less or equal of $10, the fee is almost $1. So that's 10%. That's a lot of money. If it's more than 10 but less than 25, the fee is $1.49, and then when it's 50, between 50 or 200, the fee is $2.99, which is actually a lot of money. So how can you avoid these fees? Well, there is Coinbase Pro. When you have an account on Coinbase, you also have an account on Coinbase Pro. Enter your details at pro.coinbase.com and you can log in. So what is the difference? These are the deposits and the withdrawal fees. So if you deposit digital assets, it's totally free to withdraw them as well. Wire in dollars, deposit fee $10, withdrawal fee $25. If it's in euro, in Europe, it's only 15 euro cents, and deposit fee in pounds is free, and the withdrawal fee is only £5. So what is a taker fee? What is a maker fee? A maker order, that's when you add liquidity to the order book. So then the order is added to the order book, which is a buy or a sell, and it takes a little bit of time for the order to complete. A taker, you will get a taker fee when you remove part of the order book, and if you trade instantly, you will pay less fees. If you're a maker, you will pay if you trade under $100,000 in a month. For taker fee, it's 0.25%. For maker fee, it's 0.15%. So this is a lot lower. You only pay a trading fee besides these fees, which are a lot lower than Coinbase. So, for example, if you want to withdraw your coins, if you withdraw them on Coinbase, you will have to pay a network fee. If you withdraw them, if you transfer them to Coinbase Pro, there is no fee. You only pay a trading fee when buying or selling, and the fee is a lot lower than Coinbase. So a quick recap: if you want to buy cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, you will first have to pay the fees according to your payment method. If you want to avoid most of the fees, you pay your currencies, you make a wire transfer. Then you will have the least amount of fees. But then, when you have bought your cryptocurrencies, if you buy or if you sell them, you will have extra fees. So for $10, less than $10 or $10, the fee is almost $1, which is 10%, and that's a lot of money. If you want to avoid these fees, you go to pro.coinbase.com with your same login details as you log in with Coinbase. You transfer your cryptocurrencies from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro, and if you sell them there, there are no fees for withdrawing. You only have a trading fee when you buy or when you sell. Why the difference? Because Coinbase is a broker and Coinbase Pro is an exchange. So this is how you avoid most of the fees, and it's really easy. Now, if you want to buy currencies on Coinbase, they have a really nice bonus. So if you're new to Coinbase and if you register with the link in the description, you have the possibility when buying $100 of Bitcoins to get $10 worth of free Bitcoins. You only have to do the transaction in the first 6 months of your registration. So if you do it before 180 days, when you buy $100 of Bitcoin, you will get $10 for free. So that's very interesting, right? The link is in the video description. And then when you want to withdraw it, make sure you withdraw from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. It's instantly. It happens instantly. And then when you withdraw, you will have to your own wallet, to your hardware wallets, etc. You will have to pay the least amount of fees, which will save you a few dollars. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more of these video tutorials. And especially if you want to learn how to build a passive income with cryptocurrency. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel. So I guess I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.